The BMW R 1250 GS is a renowned adventure motorcycle celebrated for its versatility and performance. It features a 1250cc air liquid-cooled 4-stroke flat twin engine with BMW's shift-cam variable camshaft control system, delivering 136 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute and 105 pounds-ft of torque at 6,250 revolutions per minute. This engine configuration ensures robust power across various riding conditions. The bike's suspension system includes the BMW Motorrad telelever at the front and a cast aluminum single-sided swing arm with BMW Motorrad paralever at the rear, providing a suspension travel of 7.5 inches at the front and 7.9 inches at the rear. Braking is managed by dual 12-inch floating disc brakes with 4-piston radial calipers at the front and a single 10.9-inch disc brake with a double-piston floating caliper at the rear, complemented by BMW Motorrad Integral ABS Pro for enhanced safety. The R 1250 GS comes equipped with advanced features such as adaptive LED headlights, multiple riding modes including an eco mode for fuel efficiency, dynamic traction control DTC, and a full-color TFT display with connectivity options. The motorcycle's ergonomics are designed for comfort on long journeys, with adjustable seat heights ranging from 31.5 to 35.8 inches and handlebar risers to accommodate different rider preferences. For riders seeking extended touring capabilities, the R 1250 GS Adventure variant offers a larger 7.9-gallon fuel tank, providing a longer range between refueling stops. This model also includes additional features tailored for long-distance travel and off-road excursions. In Pakistan, the BMW R 1250 GS is available through authorized dealers like D1 Motors. As of 2024, the price is approximately 3,819,050 Pakistani rupees. For the most current pricing and availability, it's advisable to contact local dealerships directly.